Let's talk about how to find business to buy. In the previous content, I shared some strategies to find the deals for your business. If you still are not sure what business you have to buy, you can ask from the Google. Yes, I want you to list down the public companies in your industry, and then you have to search the acquisition of the specified company. If you are in the management consulting industry, you Google top management consulting public companies or public firms, and then you find out the exactly one or specific company. You have to find the acquisition of that company. After identified the acquisition, then you will get clarify what type of businesses your company or competitor is buying. Let's say in management consulting, is the toppest public firm. When you do the acquisition, when you search the acquisition of the McKinsey, you will find a lot of acquisitions. And as a business owner or entrepreneur, you can identify what type of acquisitions they are doing, what business they are currently buying. I will also share you the demo. They are maybe currently buying in media groups, social media agency, e-commerce brands, or digital or different management consulting firms in different industries. I want you to do the same exercise for your niche, for your industry. Find out the top public firms in your industry, and then look at the acquisition of a specified company which is public, and then you will try to understand what type of acquisition or businesses they are currently doing or buying. You will get a lot of ideas what to buy. This is called modeling for success. What other successful public firms are doing, you can model this structure. Let me show you the demo.